pag-asa ng resume para sa Dream University nyo sa college. Tara na at manood ng aming tutorial na pinamagatan How to create a mail merge using Excel and Word. Huwag na tayo magpadalos-dalos pa at let's start na. Firstly, go to Excel, then ilagay natin yung mga kailangan sa Word like name, email, address, etc. In my tutorial, I already have the information about the student. So, ilalagay na lang natin siya sa mismong Excel. Unahin na natin ang name na ilagay. Click the first column, which is A, then click the formula bar na nasa taas. Then, type name on it. Then, repeat. Kung gusto niyo nung mapadali ang buhay niyo, pwede niyo kopyahin ang email, then press Ctrl and C nang sabay, then pumunta kayong Excel. After that, click the formula bar na nasa bandang taas, then press Ctrl, then Victory V nang sabay. Then, there you go. You already have your another column. Ulitin na lang natin yung process to complete the student. Pero wait, kita nyo bang hindi sumakto ang mga nilagay natin sa column na ito? Para maayos ito, click the line between A and B column. Then, if may nakita kayong arrow that is a cross shape, double-click it and then done. Paulit-ulit lang gawin ang process na gawin natin upang makompleto ang ilalagay natin sa Word na i-merge natin. Yun lang po. Bye-bye!
Now start the main merge by saving this Excel. To do it, click the file and save. Then let's go to Word and click Mailings on the top menu. Then click Step by Step Main Merge Wizard. I just made an error by clicking it sa step 3 kaagad. So, balik tayo sa step 1 sa right side. So, click Start Main Merge and choose letters. I just made an error by clicking it sa step 3 agad. So, balik tayo sa step 1 now. We link your Excel file to Word. Then click step 2. Then let's proceed to step 3 by clicking Browse. It will open. Then find now your Excel file and click Open. Select the correct sheet. If there are multiple sheets, now let's add the data to your letters by proceeding on step 4. Let's copy the red word o gusto nating palitan. Then select more items on the right side. Then place your cursor where you want the name to appear. Tapos let's click choose prepared university since itong hinihingi ng ating selected word. After that, press insert then close it afterwards. Let's repeat again for name, address, city, etc. by doing the same steps. Bago nyo i-save, in my part, pwede nyong baguhin ng font color by changing into black. Then after that, let's click finish and main merge. Choose print document or edit individual document to save as a new file. Ngayon meron na tayong finished product gamit ang mail merge mula sa Excel hanggang sa Word. Sana ay may natutunan kayo sa aming tutorial na ginawa. Thank you for listening.